name is Jahnke. I am the shop foreman at Fairchild Equipment, Green Bay, Wisconsin. I've been with Fairchild Equipment since 1999, so that puts me here about 22 years. I started out as a technician in the shop. I moved to the road, and many years after that, I moved into the foreman position. Outside of work, I enjoy hunting, fishing, anything that gets me outdoors. The vacation schedule, things like that at Fairchild right now are great. It allows me to do a lot of those things. If I was to give a tip to a service technician, especially a new service technician, I would say don't just pay attention to the safety issues you might have in the truck you're working on. Look at your surroundings. You could be in an area where another truck is coming by. Make sure the surroundings of the truck you're working on are safe.